Test order module. This is the test order module with a list of lab tests to be carried out for a patient, and any kind of test for the patient can be recorded. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patient list and click on New Health Record and navigate to the test order module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Test Order. Click on the Add icon to enter test order information. In the description field, the users can see a drop-down of the codes and details that have been previously entered into the module by them. The test order module is supported with the electronic code database, which is universally recognized medical codes databases. An additional option test code is also available, which provides users to select from the previously added and uploaded codes from the settings page. Details can also be manually entered. If the doctor feels that this particular test order could be used on a frequent basis, we provide our users with the option to store them as favorites or templates and use them in future visits. To save favorites, click on the Add as Favorite icon and click on the Save button. You can also use the Add Label button to assign details to labels from existing labels or create a new label. The same details can be stored to multiple labels. You can click on the Save button to save details. Click on the Save and Add to save the information and open a new form to add another test order. Click on the More option to add or remove fields for more information to be recorded as required. The Notes fields can be used to record any required information related to the test. The Diagnostic Image field can be used to check and indicate that the test order requires diagnostic imaging. Click on Save to save the details. To enter results for the result, click on the Add icon available on the test order. In the results description field, the users can see a drop-down on the codes and details that have been previously entered into this field by them. The result module is also supported with the electronic code database, which is universally recognized medical codes databases. The test code option is also available, which provides users to select from, and details can be manually entered too. The result readings can be added here. The unit can be selected from the drop-down available. Units can be manually entered as per your preference. The curated range can be recorded here. The field is auto-filled for certain codes. Details can be marked as abnormal. It is also automatically marked if the result exceeds the curated range. You can click on the Save button to save details. Click on the Save and Add to save the information and open a new form to add another result. Click on the More option to add or remove fields for more information to be recorded as required. The Notes fields can be used to record any required information related to the result. Click on the Favorite icon here to view the favorite test orders stored and labels created. Click on Ellipse icon to view the labels and select any label to view details already stored in them. Click on Add icon to easily import the information into the module. This will enable you to reduce a lot of charting time. Before completing the health record, if the user wants to delete or edit any of the information already added, to edit details, click on the Already Saved Information. Make the required changes. You can also remove the fields by double-clicking on the Close icon. Empty fields can be removed by a single click on the Close icon. You can click on the Add Result button to save the changes and open a new field to add results. Click on Save to save details. Multiple results can be saved for the same test. Results can also be edited the same way. Click on the Already Saved Information and click on the Trash icon to delete the details. You can navigate to New Health Record to expose some more features available in this module. The details stored in previous health records will be automatically moved to the Past folder. You can view the past test order information by clicking on the ellipsis icon and selecting the Past Test option from the drop-down. You can view the details of the past tests so far. Clicking on the Add icon will also enable you to easily import the information into the module. You can click on the Test Code option to view the tests added or imported from the settings page. Tests can be added to the folder from here too. Clicking on the Add icon will enable you to easily import the information into the module. You can click on Email Lab option to share the test order details with labs. Once clicked, the list of already saved labs will be visible. You can also click on the Add icon to enter new lab details. You can select an existing hospital staff or add new lab information, and once saved, it will be displayed under Favorite Lab folder. You can click on Message icon and confirm to send the lab details to the respective lab's email. Here, the patient will also be notified that the test details were sent to a lab. The details will also be available in the module. You can also click on the Graph Result option to view the graphical view of the test stored earlier. You can view the details in full screen too, and the option to view in tabular view is also available. To print details, click on the ellipsis icon and select Print from the drop-down to print the complete details.